In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious pull-apart bread recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need sliced bread, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. We're going to start by cutting the crust off of all of the sliced bread. Add the butter in a bowl and we're going to melt it completely. Season the butter with the salt, Italian seasoning, and half of the parsley and mix well. We're going to brush this mixture on both sides of each of the bread slices. On one of our bread slices, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to top it with another bread slice and add Parmesan cheese on top of that. We're going to continue alternating the different cheeses we use until all of our bread is used. Place all of the bread slices into a loaf pan. Brush the top of the bread with the remaining butter mixture. Top with the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our pull-apart cheese bread is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.